Hey everyone, welcome to our world of hydroponic gardening and how we turn the foods we grow into delicious salads, sauces, and meals in our kitchen. Our focus is growing hydroponic, pesticide-free herbs and vegetables from seed to table. The texture and taste can't be matched. Whether you're just starting out with a basic hydroponic system or an experienced soil gardener, there's a chance we may have something that will pique your interest. We combine basic gardening techniques with a custom-built high-tech water monitoring and automation system. Everything we grow has a purpose. Whether it's basil for pesto, romaine lettuce for salad, or cayenne peppers for homemade hot sauce, we know the desired end state before we buy or sow our seeds. With that in mind, we discuss the full plant life cycle, starting with plant selection, seed sowing techniques, germination tips and tricks, seedling development, how to grow plants up to size, and approaches to harvesting your hard-earned crops. We bring a ton of experience and know-how. However, the world is a community of different ideas, skills, and perspectives, so please join in and participate. Enjoy the videos, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for future videos, and add any comments or questions. Most importantly, thanks for stopping by and enjoy your stay.